Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are doing our reader Sound English page number 6. Today we are going to learn about a new digraph. Our digraph is double O. This is a vowel digraph because O is a vowel. Now this digraph has two sounds, A and U. Today we are going to do the shorter version of this digraph's sound. Let's start our reading. La'uka at the a ba'uka. Look at the book. Can you look at the book? It is on the mat. It is on the mat. It is a good book. It is a good book. Now, look at the book. It is on the mat. It is a good book. Moving on to the next sentence. Look at the cap. Look at the cap. It is on the hook. It is on the hook. It is a white cap. It is a white cap. Now, look at the cap. It is on the hook. It is a white cap. Let's move on. This is a cook. This is a cook. Can you see the cook? Yes. His pan. This is his pan. Do you see the pan? The cook took the pan. The cook took the pan. Do you see the cook? Do you see the pan? What is the cook doing here? He is taking the pan with his hand. Now, let's do the reinforcement reading. Ba'uk, book, la'uk, look, ka'uk, cook, ta'uk, took, ha'uk, hook, ha'ud, hood, fa'ut, foot, ra'uk, ru, sa'ut, sut, va'ul, vul, va'ud, wood, ga'ud, good. I hope this video was informative and helps you, makes you understand the digraph and its sound better. Thank you.